I'm Miranda.
I'm Lauren.
And we are
Luxury in Reach.
I don't even know how to begin this video because
we're speechless.
Yeah, I can't believe we got our hands on one of these babies.
One of the most rarest bags that there ever was.
Should I do it or should you?
I don't know. I've touched one before. So I'll let you do the honors.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have an Hermes Himalayan Kelly here today, you guys.
28. Size 28.
I can't even believe we got our hands on one. It is unbelievable. So we gotta suit up.
Safety first.
All right, I think we should do it together. It's too special.
See, you're nice slow, and I get like so excited.
I know.
Full set, people.
Ooh, we got the strap.
Which is why I love a good Kelly, because you can throw it over your shoulder.
Exactly.
If you want to wear it at crossbody, you can.
Look at that Himalayan, you guys.
What makes the Himalayan so limited is the fact that it takes forever for them to hand dye the gray and the white. It's really something that's super time consuming, and so they really only produce very few a year, if not every century.
So the rarest of the rare. All right, you guys, you ready? We have the lock and key and clochette, of course.
Full plastic on hardware.
28 centimeter, I mean.
So online you will currently see these bags ranging from $250,000 all the way to like 300. They're a bag that you generally see at auction because they are so sought after all over the world.
Yeah.
And I mean, I can't believe we have our hands on this gorgeous brand new Kelly 24.
Himalayan.
Himalayan. Okay. This is my friend who lives in Houston.
Oh, perfect. She's brand new.
Yeah, $199.
Which is the cheapest on the internet.
9,000?
Yeah.
$199,000, yep. Of course, this bag is unbelievably influential, and of course it has to be on an influential arm. Like Kris Jenner, you'll see it on Jennifer Lopez, and even Victoria Beckham, my girl. She's not my girl, I just want her husband.
Oh! If Posh Spice is listening to this, I do not approve that message. We figured we'd give you a little piece of history on why the Kelly bag is so sought after. Originally in 1950, Grace Kelly was seen hiding her pregnancy with a trapeze-shaped bag by Hermes. They then renamed that bag the Kelly bag after the princess. So this bag is just a piece of royalty.
This just in, everybody.
We have some sad news. It seems we'll be wrapping up this baby today.
And she's leaving our home and going to somebody else's. I'm gonna miss her forever.
But it's been fun while it lasted.
Yeah, the rare beauty, you guys.
And while this beauty just found her new home, let us know what beauty you're looking for your home.
Because luxury should never be out of reach.